Hello and welcome to today's shoulder and arms workout with dumbbells. In this sesh, we are going to focus on building strength and definition in your shoulders, biceps and triceps using simple, effective dumbbell exercises. Whether you are a beginner or more advanced, this workout is designed to help you see results. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the workout and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content. Let's get started.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the take you.
Stories that we say, someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold. It's in the stories that we say, like someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold.
just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easiest feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Few late nights 'cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
There's been something on my mind and it keeps hurting me. You've been treating me like I have been your enemy. You are something I don't want to have. A million problems inside of my head. This is something I cannot forget. Another one. You're a needle in my. didn't see the signs, cause you kept hiding it. Now slowly every part of me is shivering. I kept denying all the pain and didn't want to hurt again. Now slowly I began to see the real you. You are something I don't want to have. A million problems inside of my head. This is something I cannot forget. Another one. You're the only one. You are something I don't want to have. A million problems inside of my head. This is something I cannot forget. Another one. You're the only one.
Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you like this workout. Take care, and I will see you soon.